Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Umarex Andromeda and I will be presenting my tugas masa depan for this semester. But first, I will read my promise first because it's required by the assignment. I will start now. Saya, Umarex Andromeda, mengerjakan evaluasi tugas masa depan dalam mata kuliah desain dan pemrograman berorientasi objek. Untuk keberkahannya, maka saya tidak melakukan kecurangan seperti yang telah dispesifikasikan. Amin. The first thing we're going to do is we compile the project. I really hope my XMPP haven't died here. Okay. And for the project, I use the the Java language. Yes. Not to be confused with the Javanese language. Okay. I use GUI. I made it in GUI. The GUI is based on Swing. For the structure of the code is I use the MVP concept, the model view presenter concept. Now after we compile the project, the first thing that pops up is the main menu right here. In the main menu panel, there's the title, username the username input box, and there's this leaderboard right here. Now, where does the panel got the leaderboard? The panel got the leaderboard from the database right here, hide and seek. And how does it work is since it's using an MVP concept, uh, the users, we interact with views of the menu right here. And then views would then ask the models part of the project for the list from the database. Now in models, what happens is to models connect to MySQL. Models connect to the database. Models then ask the database for the table list, which then the database sent to models, and then models sent that data to views, which then views would send to presenters, and presenters showed the table list to us, the users. And for the next thing is here we go, the username input box. You can only play the game if this box right here is filled. You could go down two paths. That is to either input a new username, basically a username that haven't existed yet in the database, or you could input an already existing usernames with an already existing stats. And the way it works is this. When you input a new username, you're going to start off with zero stats, so zero scores, zero bullets missed, and zero, what do you call it? Zero amounts of bullets that the players have. But if you use an already existing username in the database, uh, you start off from where the username stats left off. For example, if you use an already existing username with 100 scores, and then you play a game and manage to get plus 100 scores, when the game got saved, when the stats got saved, the username is going to have 200 scores because you start off with 100 and get more 100, so 200. let's start with adding a new one first. M. Okay, pause. This avatar right here, this cat is the player's avatar. Now, these green little dudes are the aliens. The player moves using the WASD keys to go up, down, left, and right. And for the player's bullets, uh, the player started shooting automatically. The moment the player gets a bullet, and the player gets a bullet through. The player gets a bullet through how much the aliens missed a bullet. Oh yeah, I forgot how to explain how the alien moves. The alien spawns from the bottom of the screen, and then they move upwards to the top of the screen where they would get despawned. And the aliens also shoot automatically, but they have infinite bullets. Now, how does the player gets the bullets is through the aliens missing the bullets. Through the aliens missing the player. If an alien's bullets doesn't hit the player and hits the top of the screen right here, the bullets miss is going to get added, which then would be used by the players. And oh yeah, at the top left of the screen right here, we have the HUD panel, which shows the scores of the players, the bullets left that the players have, and the bullets that the aliens missed. When you press enter, uh, when you press enter, the stats that is shown in the HUD panel right here is going to get saved into the database. Where is it? What did I name? M right here. Hup. We're going to refresh the screen right here, and as you can see, it got saved to the database. Let's start with using an already existing username, the one that we just made. I hope I killed this one. There we go. ah, uh, for the accumulating part of the code is that when you use an already existing username, as you can see, we start off with 100 scores, and then we played the game again using the already existing username. And when we die, the score is going to get added to the amount that we got through the round that we just played. Like here in the screen, it shows plus 500, and in the HUD panel right here is 600 because we started off with 100 and we got more, and we get plus 500 points. That's why it's 600. And then when we enter, it's going to get saved. It's going to get saved into the database. Where is it? 600. Okay. And then let's refresh this. Here we go. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell you about you can pause the game by pressing the space bar. You can pause the game by pressing the space bar and then continue playing by pressing back the space bar. And that's it. That's how the game moves. Okay, that's the end of my presentation. We got 30 seconds left. Thank you so much for watching the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.